Gold 3, not bad. The red picks. So I don't know what this can be. It can be terrible. I know that. 1 of 3. We're gonna do the second one. Ooh, that's terrible. I mean, I actually don't get what this is. What is this, guy? So the thing is, I already have this card. But am I ever gonna use a mouse? Alright. I'm not gonna look on this one. I'm not gonna look. Is it good? I'm gonna reveal it to myself, and I could look like an absolute idiot because I could suck. Oh, I see. 96 physical. Good stats. Oh, 96 rated Tony Cruz. Hold on, what card is that? Now we're talking. Hey, that ain't a bad card. Or we could go with Chris Smalling, who's a better card. Who's the other guy? Delict. Yeah, nah, I'll pass on him. I'm gonna take the 96 Tony Cruz. Not bad. They link together. Bruh. But we have 7 packs, and they better be good. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do an SBC and fix this. All right, a mega pack. It's not even a. Okay, next pack. It's not even a board. All right, board, surely. No, it's not even a board. I'm not even kidding. This is crazy. Juan, don't look at me like that, you dirty dog. We get a board. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna look. That was worth me not looking. Dope as hell. He's going straight into my team. 80 shooting. What are you saying? 80 dribbling. And it's not even a rare. Look at this. It'll be 65. Yep, 65 rated Villarreal. This is terrible. Stephen Davis. Hey, guess who knew his first name? That was me. Joselu. That is his first name. Yep. Jose Luis San Martin Mato. Rob Elliott. Hey, sucked in. It is. It's a board. It's a leave the room pack. Yes! We got Rui Patricio. Hey! That was a good pack. Alright, time to open the 50k pack. And if it's not good, then I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna turn around, and what's gonna happen is I'm going to send it to the club. I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna send it to the club. And now we go to the squad. And no, we don't go to the squad. Whoa, wait. Hang on a minute. Did I have Moosh on my bench? Look at that. Okay, roll back the clip where I got my first red pick. And there was Moosh and Goretzka. And who was the other one I got? It was an 84, I think. Anyway, we're gonna... Oh, wait, no. Didn't want to do that. Because I know that there's a Ronaldo sitting on that page waiting for me. Sort by newest. Bang. Wait, what? Where's Ronaldo? Did I discard Ronaldo? Did I open a 50k pack and get Mario Hermoso? Yeah. Yeah, I did. Listen, I have an 88 plus pack. Okay, hold up. And now we open some packs and hopefully rescue this, because this has been actually so bad, man. We have 5 more packs. I can't even act like I'm excited because 2 of them are 1 rare player packs. Messi and Ronaldo. Ready? That's actually a board. And it's actually a walkout. German. Centre mid. Bayer Leverkusen. Demirbay. The title is going to be I packed Demirbay. How much are you worth, bud? Nothing. I packed Demirbay and then discarded him 5 seconds later. It's actually a board. Ooh. It's a walkout. Is it going to be good? Spanish. Left back. Ooh. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, he's Monreal. You have to point it out to me. Alright. 1 replay pack. So these have been good so far. So I bet that the ones that are meant to be good will be bad. It's another board. It's another board. Here we go. We're going to pack some sick things here. Ready? Ready? It's not going to be 284s. Trust. Trust, 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 trust. Don't be German. Chile. Centre mid. I've got Aranguiz. I've got the other Leverkusen centre mid. And he's only 86. You better be Ronaldo. This has been tough, man. Come on. Just give me something to be happy about, please. Oh, everyone gets that all black when they're about to get Lloris. I mean, I can use him in goal, yeah, sure, whatever. Havertz. He links to Goretzka and Cruz. It's terrible. Get out of here. We have dried out the club. And you've seen how bad our luck can be. What is that monstrosity? EA Sports? What? Why does my card have 4 faces on it? Get out. I just realized. No, get out, man. Get out. Look at this. No, not that. He plays for the same team as them. And then he links with him because they play for the same team. And then they both get full chemistry. Then up front is... we would need a German striker. Do we have a German striker? Yes, we do, in fact. His name, he goes by the name of Manuel Schafler. Oh, do I have Shrek? I have Sam Shrek. Hold up. Sam Shrek. There he is, Sam. How you doing? Sam? You're playing up front. You know what's weird? He was born 6 years earlier than me. That's crazy, bro. 44 stamina, 33 strength. Look, we didn't do too badly. We wouldn't have minded, I wouldn't have minded some icons. Any other packs I can do? Prime icon. Oh, game clip recorded. Don't do that. I mean, there are icons up for grabs here. What do I need to exchange? Alright guys, I'm never going to use Ericsson or Lloris. Goretzka's an L, but it's fine. Aranguiz I'll never use. Courtois, I have all black to replace him. He was a good servant. 374 games. Adoriz I used 17 times, and he's amazing, man. Crazy, so good. No way. I can't believe I'm getting rid of him. Alright, prime icon. We're going to get a striker. And we're going to be all good. Because I've drained my club. I'm gonna turn around. I'm going to open it up. Alright, I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to look.
Episode.
Alright guys, you've seen who it is. You know who it is. And I don't. And we're just going to go through positions. Here we go. Goalkeeper. It's not a goalkeeper. That's a shame. Right wing back. Oh, would have loved a right wing back. I thought it was. I thought it was. No centre backs here. Roberto Carlos? No, that's not the right one, guys. Get played, you silly billies. Oh, CDM. It's gonna be a striker. Woo! Guys, we got a striker. We definitely didn't get Garincha. No. Hullet. Oh, it's gonna be a striker. Definitely didn't get Perez. It's gonna be a striker, I swear. There's only good positions left. Oh, it's a Cam. Don't be loud, drop. Yes! We got a striker! It can't be a right forward. Could it be a centre forward? No, it's a striker! We actually got a striker. Unless we got a right wing. No. We got a striker! Oh my god. Who? Inzaghi. Oh! Honestly, that is good as heck, bro. I'm taking that. Man, look at that composure. It doesn't matter. Does it matter to me? No. Nobody tell Sam Shrek because he's getting replaced. Look at this. Look at his icon. Look how many teams he played for. He played for UNAM, San Diego Sockers, UNAM again, San Diego Sockers again, UNAM again. This is the hardest part for me, Sam Shrek, because I love you. But I mean, look how much space is on the bench now that all these people decided to leave us. If they had a choice, you know what I mean? To leave, and they just did. Hey, screw it. Put the Hunter on him. Actually, does it really matter? No. He's my striker. I don't care how many goals he misses. He's me. He's mine. Anyway, I better end this now. Thank you for sticking around, guys. I think this is going to be a separate video from the Foot Champs because, honestly, I kind of just want views from this. Alright, next time we'll try out this new team. For now, though, that's it for rewards. Toni Kroos, Kai Havertz, and Sanchez and Oblak. But for now, guys,